Namaste everyone. This is Praveen Kala. Let me show you how to create a point in AutoCAD and how to change the point style appearance in AutoCAD. This video bite is regarding creation of a point and point style appearance. With the help of a line division problem, I'll explain this. I have drawn a line, and from the draw menu I'm having a command called as divide. Applying this command on the line what I previously created, I'm dividing this line into 5 divisions. So the line what I have created has been divided into 5 equal divisions, means 4 new points have been created on the line. But as we can see from the screen, there is no difference on the line. That doesn't mean line has not been divided. A line has been divided. 4 new points have been created. But the current style of the point, which is a dot, is got mixed up with the background line. So the style of the point has to be changed. Point style can be changed from point style window, which can be accessed either from utilities or by typing the command ddp type. So this is the point style change window. Now here I am changing the point style appearance of the point. Now you can see on the screen 4 points which have been already created. Now their style has been changed. Now it is very clear. So I have drawn a line and I divided that line into 5 equal divisions with the 4 new points on the line. So this is about how to put a point or how to change the style of a point. Now if you want to put a point, same procedure, type the command point. Wherever you want to put the point, just click there, a point will be created. As the point style is already in the changed format, now what I am able to see will be a bullet kind of point. If it is in default, a small dot will be created in the space where you click it. This is to create a single point. Now if you want to create continuous points, from draw command, so there is an icon called as multiple points. Select this icon and keep putting points in your required positions. And this is about how to create a point and how to change the style of a point. Thank you.